when I started my campaign, I started it by saying that I would listen, and I'm hearing very clearly that there's a lot that you love, and so do I, and there are some things that you want to change, and there are some things that need to change. The theme throughout it all, and earlier today I said this, it's family. It's about family lifestyle. You need to secure your family, your children, and your grandparents. The way to do this is through very careful, planned, sustainable economic development. But it has to be coupled with your information and your input. We do have an economic development officer, and it's a blessing. We have needed this. And we have multiple committees. We need your input. We need to hear from you, because I was ending earlier today by saying that it's about being on a team. And I said, you're the coaches. You're also the hecklers. You're also the spectators. But you are the invested people on this team. We can do it together. We certainly can. The Uniman properties have come up multiple times. Irregardless of what state those lands are in, I am proud to say that it's in our possession. It's in your possession. You get to make the decisions on what is going to be done with it. It is a piece of the puzzle for our region. It may not be the only thing that is important, and it would be foolish to focus on one thing, but it is a part of it. We need to communicate effectively within our council and within the various committees, and we need to help each other grow and learn. We need to do this for the future, for our kids, and so that we have the lifestyle that we need and deserve. Thank you very much. Please vote Carol Nichols for Ward 2.